Good evening from Grand Plain Farm. It's August 11th, 2025, and it's about 8:30, and about 91 degrees still. And we got a JD running around. I hear the girls. Oreo looks like he's doing better. I see Cecil running down the hill. He just fell. Cecil will watch me water the animals. He's kind of fascinated with his hose. Yep. Next year, buddy, you can water the animals. All the animals are taken care of for now. Sun's going down, so it's the end of my day. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.